Discover unparalleled energy freedom with the Solar Safe Grid, a groundbreaking DIY home energy system engineered by James Hall, a resourceful 52-year-old mechanic from Milwaukee. This innovative solution liberates you from energy tyrants, promising substantial monthly bill reductions and a seamless path to energy independence. Building your solar safe grid is remarkably simple, requiring no specialized knowledge. With step-by-step instructions, anyone can assemble this powerhouse system, slashing electricity costs immediately upon activation. James Hall himself saved $1,569.30 within 3 months, demonstrating its remarkable efficiency. Imagine reducing your monthly electricity bill by up to 68%, powering everything in your home from appliances to electronics, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional solar solutions. Plus, the system is scalable, enabling you to achieve whole home energy independence without breaking the bank. Unlike costly solar alternatives, the Solar Safe Grid is incredibly affordable. James built his prototype for just $204.68, and you can transform your entire home for less than $1,000 using basic parts available at local hardware stores. This system is not just budget-friendly, it's also time-efficient, allowing you to assemble it in under 3 hours, aided by James's user-friendly 30-minute instructional video. Even if you lack technical expertise, building the Solar Safe Grid is a breeze, making it accessible to everyone. But the benefits don't stop there. This portable system offers 18 to 20 hours of electricity, even charging on cloudy days, all without costing you a cent in utility bills. It's resistant to droughts, disasters, and recessions, ensuring uninterrupted power supply during uncertain times. Your Solar Safe Grid is your personal power plant, reducing your dependence on energy cartels and offering you peace of mind. Embrace energy independence today. Act now, and you'll receive exclusive bonuses worth hundreds of dollars, including guides on protecting your system against solar flares, efficient energy storage, and harnessing natural energy sources. Worried about your investment? Rest easy. The Solar Safe Grid offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. Join the ranks of over 43,000 satisfied Americans benefiting from this revolutionary system. Order your Solar Safe Grid today. Experience freedom from energy cartels, and watch your savings soar as you embrace a future powered by affordable, renewable energy.